Hi, this is Mario. The real Mario. The brown version of Mario.
Yeah.
Pretty much. Today, we are going to do... What are we going to do?
Something with booze.
Probably.
Alcohol is required.
We are not alcoholics.
I've accepted this.
You're so cute!
Thank you. Like
Boobs.
boobs?
And booze.
I was like, I can motorboat her right now.
What's a motorboater? I need education. Teach me. That tickles! That tickles! What? That tickles! Shit!
Well, that's what it is.
I didn't know what a motorboater is. Don't go on my boobs. Feed me, Dad. Today's flavor is that flavor. Root beer float.
You bit. You're a biter.
Never want to have sex with me. I'll bite your penis off.
I lost an inch.
Can't tell him that. But yeah, he lost a lot.
A lot of semen too. Excessive amount of semen. And blood.
I had to take him to the doctors.
Weird story.
Sweetie, I have to do this way. You're not gonna bite? You bite me all the time. Oh, Dad. So this is Mario. Oh yes, this is my penis. I ate my own penis. Oh my god, I'm like, gum.
We're chewing all your gum. Damn all these penis references.
Have your dessert and chew it too. Cock meat sandwich. Wow.
Made me think of the movie Harold and Kumar. Shut up and suck my dick, you fatty. It's not gay for me, because you could be a woman for all I know.
So this is Mario, usually. Our friendship is offending people, and we laugh at them about it. Close enough?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's fun.
Plus we're assholes to one another.
We're really big assholes to each other. For an example, I slept with your dad last night.
Okay.
I ate out his penis.
Okay.
And it's in my bedroom. I don't know if he wants it back or anything. If you want to give it back to him, you can have it.
Can I just keep it?
If you want to keep your dad's penis, go for it.
Well, for next time, I made you guys.
Have you ever seen your dad's penis before?
No. Do you want to show me?
I could.
Go show me. Go show me his dick right
It's
now.
pretty pink.
Go show me his cock right now. I made you a cock ring.
Personal cock ring. I like it.
For a second, I thought that was like just a fun box of toys. I was like, oh, I'm slightly disappointed.
Toys are in the back. With your dad's penis.
Why aren't they here?
'Cause someone should know about that stuff.
I'm the one who's older than you. I think I should
I
know.
mean you.
Gordon?
No.
Artie.
Alright.
I think he's old enough.
No, he's not.
Yeah. It's about time he learns.
Eventually.
Can I be the one who teaches him?
Teaches him what?
About the birds and bees.
How would it go? To start out, make sure it's a little bit smaller than this. Make sure she's real good and tight. And then you want to get your penis and shove it in there.
It helps if it's wet. Oh, for a second. I'm like, really? You have one right there?
Well, you could. Good reference.
Good reference. Good point of reference, right?
So here's a penis and a girl's loose vagina. You could just slip right in.
Wait.
He could be swallowed. Like,
Wait,
whoa there.
Wait.
Not my boobs. Quit it.
No, I can't be seen without my hat. Then people know who I really am.
Is there any other Mario that's brown?
It could be. Somewhere in the world.
Could be. Now you look Italian. You look like a painter. I'll give you a masterpiece on your wall. Or your bedroom.
Or your face. So what exactly is that?
Lube.
Okay. Oh, KY.
KY gets my groove on, yo. Don't waste it. I need that. Okay, let me put a little bit on your fingers.
No.
He's smelling something. He's very interested. I have the for men's. If you ever wanna have sex with someone.
It's good to know.
Like that one guy you had really bad sex with.
Girl. That one girl.
It was a guy. It was a guy. You couldn't really tell, I guess. He was drunk, but I know it's a guy. I'm just smart.
Or a female. You look really pale in this video.
I am very pale. You're brown, come on.
So alcohol.
Booze.
Alcohol. Booze.
Booze! And of course, I took it off. Damn it. I'm so good at doing that.
You took what off?
His penis is enlarging.
I should probably
Just like mine.
Pretty sure this gum's gonna taste terrible after we make Crown Royal. We should have thought ahead.
Or lick my hand. Okay, Dad. So booze. A lot of it. I
I was like, hoping for a high five, but
yeah.
I'm gonna throw away this gum.
But Dad.
Yeah.
But Dad. Run away together. Hey. No, don't smack my ass. Not appropriate in front of the camera. Oh my god, stop it! Let me quit it! Quit it! Don't touch me there. Quit it! Quit it! Ah. Sucking on brown. You have no idea what that tastes like.
Salty?
How'd you fucking know? You taste yourself. I knew it. I knew it.
No, it's just the answer I usually get.
Oh.
Now you have to think about how many people have tasted me and said I taste salty. You weren't my first. How does that make you feel?
I'm number one.
But you weren't the first.
How many others?
It's like, who hasn't, really?
How many others?
An excessive amount. It'd be easier to tell you how many haven't.
Me.
Until just now. How'd that one taste?
Brown.
Salty?
Or brown.
Tastes brown.
Quite brown.
Not purple. Not orange, but brown.
Brown and a hint of black.
Yeah!
Yeah!
That was a shitty high five. It's like medicine. I have to pour an amount onto this. You've never done that? Like with Pepto, you just like pour it on the
Never.
cap and you just... I'm sorry, I guess because I'm brown and I just like...
He's so brown. And ghetto. You're ghetto. The boobs. Anything but the boobs. No. Makes you feel better.
Yeah. It's like, oh yeah. That's the best way to describe it.
Is it like an orgasm in your mouth?
It's like how I imagine sex would be if I was a female. It's like there's that split second where you're like, whoa, what the fuck? Oh yeah. Is that how it is?
When I got orgasms?
No, when like it first goes inside of her, like
Oh yeah.
it's like whoa, oh yeah, This is
Every
okay. So Crown Royal Black is like
time I'm gonna have sex, I'm gonna think of you. Thanks. Oh yeah, Mario.
or you'll laugh because you'll think of like this analogy.
Thanks, Dad. Thanks.
So next time you have sex, remember, it's pretty much like drinking Crown Royal Black, and for that split second, you're just like, what is this inside of me? And then afterwards, you're just kind of like, oh yeah, this is pretty awesome.
Keep going. Until the bottle's done. Until the bottle is done.
So I'm pretty much having a gangbang in my mouth.
Yes.
And the gangbang is black.
Go dirty or go home.
I'm always dirty. That's why I'm brown.
You're mixing you are white and then you start turning black. So
I,
you're in between.
I was white, and then I just never showered for like a year.
And it just stains your skin.
Yeah, it just stained my skin.
You're like, you know what? This is okay. It is okay. And this is Mario. Do you have anything to say before we leave?
It's like I got used to it already, so I'm like a little slut, and it's like, oh, I can't even feel it, but fuck it, whatever.
So apparently Mario's a slut.
For Crown Royal. You know, because it's my super short show.
I was just thinking of that. Whenever people bring that up.
Do most of the people you bring into this thing finish it like that?
Never.
Well, maybe you
It's
should.
always, don't tease me with a good time.
Don't fuck your family. Just remember that much. No matter how much you drink, do not fuck your family. Unless they're attractive.
Then it's apparently okay.
As long as you don't get them pregnant. Use a condom. Doesn't matter.
What if it's a girl? I'll fuck your brother! Like I fucked my brother. Ew. Oh my god, ew.
Just don't have kids, you know? Morning after pill, whatever. Just don't have the kids. You'll be good. Because they'll have an extra chromosome and then they'll be retarded. And then you'd have a retarded baby. And then you could, if it's like
I love him.
if it's like a retarded black baby, you could give him like some cool name like Mongo or maybe even like King Kong, so he'll have like that superhuman retard strength.
What the fuck are you saying? Oh, what even? This is why we're friends.
Is it?
Well, I use you and you use me, so it's quite even.
So the sex.
He feeds me.
She puts out.
Remember for the longest time you're like, when are you gonna put out?
Yeah, you never did.
I was pregnant.
Pregnant bitches, right? Never put out. I've seen a good amount of porn to know that some pregnant women put out. Trust me. Once you just want to watch it, just to say you have. All right, it's one of those things. It's like Two Girls, One Cup. You didn't really
I've
want.
never seen it.
Do you want to watch it after this?
Okay, I gotta go. Bye. Bye, I say bye.
Bye. Don't fuck your family.